Oh yeah, buddy. Rainy vlog. Got him. It's about to rain. My girl left her rods still out there. He's there, he's there, he's there. There we go. Oh yeah. We got one, guys. We got one. Right before the rain. Got him. I think. No, I think I did. Got him. Got him. Got him. Might feel like a little small one. We'll give him a little bit of slack just so he doesn't break the line. Hopefully I'm not covering the camera here. Here it comes, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. I forget what color it was. I think it's the orange one. There you go. Finally. Oh yeah. And everybody's just leaving. But yeah, finally after like 3 hours. It's about to rain. Let me see if I can release them because I don't think we're gonna take them. We have too many fish. But yeah, check out the weather though, guys. It's about to rain. Oh yeah, first catch. Let's see if we can release them. Oh yeah. He swallowed that mice tail. I'm trying to see if I can get the hook off of him. There it is. Trying to let this fool go. This doesn't seem like I'm gonna be able to. Swallow the hook. Try to get that out of his mouth. Oh, the orange one. Orange mice tail. So now let's try to get this hook. Sorry, buddy. There, we got it. Hell yeah. Let's try to release him. Hopefully he doesn't die. Come on, buddy. You can go. There you go. Oh yeah. There you go. Back home. Hopefully survive another day. Right when the rain starts.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, buddy. Rainy vlog. Everybody's taking off home. I'm still out here. Right when I was trying to do another setup over here, setting up the line. Fucking I get a bite. My girl left her rods still out there. She's like, I'm not gonna get wet. Ran to the truck. But this is what it comes with trout fishing. You're gonna be fishing in the rain, snow. Just gotta be out there trying to catch. I was about to pack up too, and I was like, let me stay for a little bit longer. We've been here like 3 hours and it was kind of slow in the morning. Got here late and now it's starting to rain. Yeah, we'll be here a little bit longer. See, hopefully it calms down. If not, I'm gonna take off, see how it goes. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We're at Irvine Lake with all this rain, buddy. Oh yeah. I'm over here talking to myself. Probably think I'm crazy. Just a little bit of rain don't hurt nobody. But I had big hopes on the mice tail. The orange one always seems to work out here. It's doing good. I have another one, guys. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Let him take it, let him take it. Let him take it. He's there, he's there, he's there. There we go. Oh, did I get him? I think I got him, not sure. Yeah, he's on, he's on. He's on, he's on. He's on, he's on. Definitely on. Fish number 2, guys. Definitely on. He's a small one, small one, small one. Smallie. Definitely a small one. Check him out, check him out, check him out. I had a... Oh, fuck, let me put him in the net first. It better not be the same one. Come on, buddy. I'll have to bring you to the beach then, brother. So what I was gonna say, I went on a 2-pound line. I went down and I put a size 10 hook, mosquito hook, and we got them on that mice tail. See if I can get them. There we go. Number 2 is a tiny one. I'm gonna try to let him go. Is this shit on, brother? Still recording. Okay. Let's get on the way of the camera. But we got him. Nah, it's a whole different one. Just calm down, buddy. Calm down. Oh, it's just spiky as well. I was just trying to show you guys. Fucking trout, piece of shit. Buddy, check him out. Let's see if I can get him out. The hook. Damn, who swallowed the whole thing? Got it. Number 2. Don't know, the camera's picking it up. Let's let him go. We don't need no more fish. Alright, buddy. Go back home. There he goes. Later, guy. I'm gonna call it a day. Oh yeah. The mice tail. I don't know if it was picking it up, but I went down on the line. We got a 2-pound and 2-pound line, size 10 mosquito hook. Worked out better than the other ones. And the other ones I have like a 4-pound line. So yeah, let's get out of here, guys, before we get yelled at. It's a good catch.